Hello guys, I'm gonna quickly show you how you can arrange your desktop wallpapers. By default it's a very dull Windows background like this. As you know, you can go to personalize and then choose, for example, this very cute kitty that we covered before in another video, but then it's just always the same until you change it. However, in Windows 10 there's an option you can go to for a slideshow, and if you choose slideshow you can take a folder, and in my case I'm going back to the Windows web wallpaper folder, and I have a list of wallpapers. I'm gonna choose this folder, and you can say change it every like 6 hours, and a lot of wallpapers. And if I close, now you have this cool Sparta wallpaper. In 6 hours it's gonna change automatically to the next one, but you can also say next desktop background. Ooh, look at this, it's almost My Little Pony. Or this one, Alien versus Predator, or the Predator at least, or this one. Yeah. So as you can see, this way you never have to change this setting again, and Windows will always start using new wallpapers. You can just download a bunch of wallpapers, put them in a folder, set it and forget it, and you'll always be good at. So I hope you like this feature, and if you like my videos you can always subscribe, because when I have 1,000 viewers, that's only 995 to go, then maybe this channel can make me a bit of money. But that's not the main goal. I'm doing this, but it would be nice. So thank you and have a nice day.